Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn about behavior analysis in social media network. So in social media network, as we perform different types of actions on the websites or on the apps. So all these actions are generally analyzed by analysts so that they can come to know the what type of behavior pattern you are following. So in this video we are going to learn about the different types of behavior analysis uh, which a analyst do in social media network. On social media network, a user can perform different types of actions, like he can click on a website, he can swipe on an app. So all these actions are nothing but classified as events. So user behavior refers to the way the user interact with a particular object, or we can say that all these events indirectly gives the behavior of a particular person. So individual person can exhibit different types of behavior in social media network. Either he can perform as an individual or he can be a part of a collective behavior. So when a analyst study the individual behavior analysis, his focus is on one individual person, whereas in collective behavior, whenever a population of individuals is involved, they collectively see that whether uh, a group of people having a similar behavior or dissimilar behavior with or without any coordination or planning. So in this video we are going to learn about individual behavior analysis. So behavior analysis pinpoints the precise action taken by individuals, and it try to organize these raw events in form of the timelines. So later on they analyze this timeline and they try to see that what is the journey taken by the each and every individual users. So based on this timeline, they get a clear picture about the preferences, interest, like and dislike of the individuals, which results into a personalized web services to the individuals. So as on a social media network, we can perform various events or actions. For example, we can read some online news, we can comment on some posts, or we can watch some video, we listen music. So all these activities leave a trace on a social media network, and based on your this type of activity we can categorize the individual online behavior into three ways. It can be either user to user, it can be either user to community, or it can be either user to entity. The first type of individual behavior is user behavior. This is the behavior which individual person publicly demonstrate with respect to the other individuals. So under this behavior, there are various activities which we generally perform on social media network corresponding to other individuals, like accept the request of someone, to be friend with someone, to send a message to someone, to play a game with someone, to follow someone, to invite someone, to blog or chat with someone. So all these demonstrate your individual behavior, or you can say that it comes under user behavior. The second type of individual behavior that most of the people exhibit is user community behavior, in which the target is a one of the community or a group. So example of this user community behavior is joining or leaving a particular community, becoming a fan of one of the community, and participating in the discussion of a particular community or a special interest group. Other than user community behavior, under individual behavior, we have a user entity behavior where the target is an entity in a social media network. For example, if you are writing a particular blog, or you are reviewing a particular article, or you are publishing some article on the social media network, so all these are called as user entity behavior. The purpose of individual behavior analysis is to understand how the different factors are affecting the individual behaviors, and analysts correlate these behavior with some other measurable characteristics of the user sites or contents, so that they can provide you a personalized web, or they can provide you a relevant recommendations related to your preferences, likes and dislikes. To know more about behavior analysis, you can explore these web links or books. Thank you for watching this video.